Good morning. Another spring day on the water. We're here with Marky Mark.
Yeah, here we are again.
Yeah.
You can see all the boats here. It's
Action Jackson.
yeah.
That's the problem though, when you hear about good fishing, it's usually a day late and $1 short.
Yeah.
So, well, today's the day.
I haven't heard any reports.
I've heard reports, they haven't been good reports.
Nope, that's right. I haven't heard any good reports, so, oh well.
Give her a shot.
I know one thing, it's cool.
It is brisk. Son of a guy, I left my coffee in the truck.
You have breakfast at McDonald's on the way up?
Yeah, no McDonald's. Oh, wake me up when the fish start biting.
Yeah. Straight off the rock, Paul.
Yeah. Well, maybe today will be a good day.
Well, I've had, I don't know if that was the same fish or...
Had 2 strikes and...
Yeah. Yeah, isn't that strange?
Very big?
No, not very big, Paul. Not very big, I don't think. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. And the way it's fighting, I think it's a salmon, though. There we go. That's the first salmon I've caught this year, Paul. Well, there. Not a very big guy. He's just a little guy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let him go there. Well, there. Want to try that again?
Try it again?
There's a fish. That feels like a better one. That feels like a good one, Paul,
Looks
right
like
there.
a good one.
Trout, I think. That's a better fish. Let's see here, Paul. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Well, that's a bit of a surprise, Paul. I had some pretty low expectations for today.
You weren't expecting much, were you?
You just never know, do you?
Nope.
I guess that's why you come out.
It does look like a fishy day, though.
It does, Paul. It's got that gray, like I say, that overcast. When you talked about last year, when usually the fishing and the weather don't line up.
Nope.
Well,
one's gonna suck usually.
yeah.
Either the weather or the fishing.
Yeah.
That's where they are.
Right.
See if I can get my hands to work.
I know. Same here. I couldn't get mine to work, Paul. Looks like we're gonna suffer a little bit today.
Yep.
Nice trout, Paul.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's a dandy. That's a dandy.
That's a good one.
That is a dandy, Paul. There.
It's a good one. Each rod has caught a fish.
Yep. Yep.
Right in front of that rock.
Yep.
We'll catch one.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm bumming about the hot thermos of coffee back at the truck. I can't believe I forgot that.
Yeah.
I left it right there in the sea. That'd be good right about now.
Just a little guy.
Little trout?
Little trout, Paul. What, probably 12?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, well. Yeah, he made a, those friggin' little trout, they roll. They keep rolling.
Still have one.
You still have it?
Oh, frig. Little salmon.
Yeah.
I didn't get the memo. I said a big salmon. Woo!
Yeah.
That's 5 fish?
5 fish, yeah. Who'd have thunk? Fingers are numb, I can't reel. I'm serious.
What, your forceps?
We're gonna count it caught. Could it be a salmon? Could it be a salmon?
It's fighting a little different.
No, it's a salmon.
It's a salmon. It's a decent salmon, Dad.
Yeah, it's a decent one. Yeah. Well, there we go. Mark caught a swell. I haven't caught it yet, but it is a decent one. Nice fat pull. There. 17, a little over 17 and a half ball. Native fish. Yeah.
Go try it again.
Yeah, we'll
Go
keep
back.
going.
Go back in our little cove.
We're gonna go back to our little cove for sure.
That was a nice salmon. Just shy of 18 inches.
Yeah, 17 and a half there.
And the wind's died down a bit.
It has. It has died down. I can almost feel my fingers now, Paul.
Things are moving a little more readily.
Well, there. Yeah, that was worth the trip, Paul.
Yeah.
Nine fish. We didn't get anything.
We've caught 9 fish?
9 fish.
9 fish.
We didn't get any record breakers, but
Three salmon. 3 salmon?
3 salmon, 6 trout. Fish on.
Good one?
I don't know. Another salmon.
Oh,
Yeah. Caught that one on the Rapala. Well, there we go.
yeah, it looks about 14.
Yeah. That's a good morning,
That
Paul.
is a good morning.
10 fish.
Well, that didn't take long.
Oh, don't be that way, my friend. Don't be that way. I pinch the barbs, they come right out, Paul. Look.
Yeah, nice trout.
Yeah. Number 11. You know, the fishing, it'd be a nice day if it wasn't for the competition out here.
Not another boat on the water.
Not another boat on the water. Yeah, like I say, I barely got my line in the water that time, Paul, and I...
Caught him.
Yeah.
We're gonna make one last trip by.
Yep. Little cool out here today, Paul.
It is.
Little bit of rain,
Starting to brighten up.
little bit of wind. But the fish bit, so that makes up for it.
Makes it worth it.
Alrighty. I might have to have you steer for a minute, Paul. I want to drain the water out of the...
Let me get my gloves on here. Is it coffee time?
Get outside, it's good for the soul.
Is it coffee time?
It's coffee time.
Oh,
Yeah.
pour some. I've been waiting for a hot cup of coffee all day.
We could deal with this all day long, couldn't we, Paul? This weather, it was a lot different out in the boat.
No wind.
It was warm. It felt brutal out there, probably because the air over the water was 44 degrees, which is, well, as we all know, just 12 degrees over freezing, so it's cold. And that air coming off the water's cold.
Well, I gotta pour a cup of coffee. Anything else left to say? Good?
That's stout.
Is that good for the soul?
That's good for the soul right there. Yeah.
Alrighty, that was a good trip. So I guess until next time.
Get outside.
It's good for the soul.
Good for the soul.
It's good for something. Alright, I need some coffee.